Hello student. Today in this video we'll learn about part 2 of caste reform movements, social science class A. So let's start the video. In the previous video we have already studied about many reformers like Jyotirao Phule, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, M.G. Ranade and Swami Vivekanand. Now in this video we'll learn about some more reformers and their contributions. Kandukari Veer Salingam. He was a prominent reformer from Andhra Pradesh and he fought against the social evils in the society. For this, he encouraged inter-caste marriages and fought against the caste system also. He established Brahma Samaj Temple in 1887. After that, he also established the Hitkarini School in 1908. Chimbiti Naidu. The full name of Naidu was Sri Dharalu Naidu and he started an organization Veda Samaj in 1864 at Madras, modelled on Brahma Samaj. The main aim of this organization was to spread awareness among the people regarding prevalent superstitions and to eradicate caste inequality. Means he wanted to remove the caste inequalities from the society. Periyar Ramaswamy. In Tamil, Periyar means great man. That's why E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar was regarded in Tamil Nadu as Thanthai Periyar. He devoted 50 precious years of his life to the service of the downtrodden. He started the self-respect movement. He criticized the Hindu scriptures and hegemony of the Brahmins. After that, he also started the Dravida Khazgam, an organization that fought for the rights of Dalits. Sri Narayan Guru. He belonged to Iswa community from Kerala. He also experienced the oppressive caste system in the earlier years. After that, he studied Sanskrit literature in that period when only Brahmins were allowed to do so. After that, he established many temples without the images of deities. In 1903, he started an organization by the name of Sri Narayan Dharma Paripalana Yogam, and the main work of this organization was to get temple entry rights for the untouchables. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He was the founder of Arya Samaj, which was founded in 1875. Arya Samaj brought a number of social reforms. It worked toward the upliftment of women and their education and against the caste system. Mahatma Gandhi. Again, he was one of the greatest leaders of India, we all know. He worked for the upliftment of the lower caste in India. He launched several campaigns against the inhuman practices of untouchability. And it was Gandhiji who coined the term Harijan for the Shudras, or we can say the Dalits. He also founded the All India Harijan Sangh with a view to abolish untouchability. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. We all know that he was the architect of our Indian Constitution. He also born in a lower caste, Mahar, whose members were considered untouchables. For eradication of untouchability, he organized the All India Scheduled Caste Federation. After that, he started a weekly Mook Nayak, and in this, he criticized the Hindu beliefs. To promote the socio-economic upliftment for the depressed classes, he also started Bahishkrit Hitkarini Sabha. This organization worked for the untouchables throughout the country. After that, the Sikh reform movement. Among the Sikh reforms were started by Singh Sabha. Singh Sabha played an important role in spreading education among the Sikh. They started the Khalsa chain of schools. The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee and the Akali Dal launched a movement to reform the Gurudwaras in early decades of the 20th century. Because before this, all the control were in the hand of British officers. But after their lots of efforts, finally a law passed in 1925, and according to this law, Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee was given the rights to manage all the Gurudwaras